Good morning everyone and welcome back to this new video. And in this video we will go snorkeling here at this beautiful beach, and there is literally no one. I mean, there are just 3 people there. 3 people, that's it. And look how beautiful it is. Alright, hit the subscribe button, let's go. Sand is also very soft. This is a very good spot, and also the water is really visible. You can see quite far, so very nice. I was just diving down. Did you see that? Oh my god, it's poisonous. 2. It is very deep here, but there's very good visibility. It's really nice.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
There's a boat coming. These guys are going to do a tour here, I think. Oh my god, look what I found. 2 sea dogs. Cuties. Yeah. Ah, they're so cute.
We spot the sea dog today.
The sea dog. They are very special here. We are now just chilling at this beautiful spot right here. And we saw so many fishes, even lionfish. It was really cool. The first time I saw it actually. And now there are 2 boats filled with tourists who are going to snorkel there. So we had a great spot before them.
Sven is going to do a gym session. Okay, Sven.
The other dude was struggling. This is lightweight. Full reps, full range of motion. It's lightweight. Wow.
What are you doing?
I think this is like 15 kilograms.
Oh, for real? So I can also push it.
This is the
Do you-
first workout in weeks.
Did you miss it?
Yeah. First workout in 5 weeks.
Yeah, I think so. You're crazy.
I trained her well, right? There are so many fishes here.
Zo, het zijn er echt veel. Het loopt helemaal door.
Oh my god, I see a snake. It's here, it's here. You see it? Oh wow. That's a poisonous one or not? Yeah, is it? I don't know. It's black. A sea snake. But it's black. Is that the venomous one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And it's gone.
Or a land snake.
Oh. There's a crab also.
Yeah, but...
Is the crab
Oh.
fighting it or not? No. He stays still. The water snake's quite big.
Oh, he's really big.
What is he looking for? Is he hunting for crab or something?
Maybe for food or something.
Oh wow. What kind of sea? Oh, it's hunting.
For hunting or snake?
Is it looking for the baby fishes? There are some tiny fishes. Maybe he sees us. There's also a crab. Okay, what is his game plan? Is he looking for the crab or for the fish?
Or is he looking for us?
He sees us now. This bird is trying to catch the fish here. Here he comes, here he comes. Dive down. Oh. Here it comes, here it comes. It's looking for fish. Oh. It's looking for the bigger ones. And he's coming from the left side because of the sun, I think. Then they don't see his shadow. Ah, is it gone? I don't see it anymore. It is time for round 2. And now we are heading toward those rocks over there. We had an awesome day on this beach. It was really beautiful. Also the sunset was nice. And now we are going to a restaurant because we're hungry. Pineapple smoothie and a mango smoothie. A huge burger today. Ooh.
I think the nature is really beautiful.
Nice coconut ice cream. Ooh.